Hi, this video I'm going to show about our HTH HDBaseT wallplate with the control functions for the third-party devices. So here's my setup. Basically, I have the faceplate and one HDMI input. I also can support the HDMI 2 and also the Type-C. And on the back side, right now I have the LAN cable, which is using for the HDBaseT transmission, and here for the USB-C to USB-A, which is connected to my laptop, and which is used for the IWP. This is the software for control the device switching, including the working mode or closed switching, and also like the control 10 control buttons. Like right now, for the control buttons, what we need to do is we just need to have one LAN cable, then go to the receiver here. Then from receiver, and we have the RS232 out, and then I have this RS232 cable which is connected to my multi-viewer. So I'm just going to, from my faceplate, sending the RS232 commands to the receiver, from receiver, then goes to the multi-viewer, then to control this multi-viewer with the working mode switching, like single window, two window, or four windows, and we can get the commands which is for the multi-viewer here. Then for the configuration on the software, and what we need is just go to the configure tab, then we set the channel. And right now, if we're going to use the channel 1, the control 1, which is the control button 1. So for the control button 1, we're using as the hex commands, and then the bar rate is on 5200, and also like the country button 2, and for the country button 4, I'm using as the string commands, which is this one is set as the one with mode 1 and the same bar rate, and then click the set button here. That means we already have it set up. And also here we can change the name of each control buttons here. Okay, so back to the switch interface, then we can have the control 1, which is like if we press this button, then we'll just control the multi-viewer, change to the single window. And then we have two window working mode, and then we also have the code view mode. And we also can just long press this faceplate for the controls, like long press this button for 3 seconds. Then we got control, right? Okay, two window, and long press, then back to the code view. And after we've done the settings on the IWP software, we can just remove this Type-C cable on the back. Then we still can use this faceplate to sending the commands out to the control the multi-viewer. Now back to the one window mode, back to the two window mode, then back to the code view. Right, it's working good, and we can have the cable connect back, and which is just to show we have the control 4, 5, 6 is using the string command. And so basically on the software of this keypad, on this faceplate, we can use as the hex commands, or we can use the string commands. So both are working good. And so now we're into control 4, which is the single mode, and control 5, two window mode, control 6, which is for the code view mode. Okay, so basically this to show like our HTH HDBaseT faceplate, and which we can have the simple programming to sending the RS232 commands to control the third-party devices, and then we just get the RS232 out from the receiver side. And this multi-viewer can be any of the devices with the RS232 control, like the projector or the screen and those devices. Okay, thank you.